today to open the Riverway Library. It's a fantastic space. Do you know the library is so much more than books? Plenty of meeting rooms, a creative space, a performance studio, recording studio.
I think it's fantastic. I'm amazed at how many people are here coming to see it. I also love Pinnacles Gallery. I love the library next to the gallery. There's great energy here. There's lots of technology. There's books. I love books.
It's great here today. It's nice open plan, all new and modern, and we really like the little play area for the kids. My son Oliver's having a great time.
There's podcast rooms down there, so you pretty much just walk in and you can start your own podcast, or this 3D printer. You can get a bit creative with the kids and make some things.
Contemporary libraries are full of great options. So there's books, but there's also digital. There's lots of workshops. There's lots of great people to connect with.
What a beautiful area to bring your kids. So you can read a book, go for a swim, grab a coffee and have a great day at Riverway.